Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So I haven't been posting for a while. I've been super stressed, to be honest. So I had been trying to buy a flat and it's been a disaster. I had a lot of issues with solicitor, with delays, then my mortgage offer expired, then the bank refused to extend because it's been already 7 months. So to be honest, until Friday, I didn't know where I stand. So Friday was already completion date. So the day before completion date, I find out that the bank approved the extension for a week. So yeah, it was very stressful time. So now I'm in this whole mess and try to pack. Honestly, I don't know how I'm going to fit into the van. I have so many things. I mean, guys, just look at this. This is just part of it. Then we have in the hallway more boxes, and this more boxes and luggages. So yeah, I don't know how we're going to fit in. By the way, the home office is also mine, and we need to throw away the Christmas tree. I mean, I cannot do it by myself, so hopefully I will get some help tomorrow. But I'm a bit stressed, so we're starting at 7:30 a.m. On Sunday. Yeah, but the most important thing is I'm in a new flat. I mean, I'm kind of between flats, but 2 more days and I'm completely in a new flat, my own flat, which I'm super happy about. Like, it's such a relief. I cannot even emphasize it enough. So yes, this was my main concern for the past few weeks. Getting sorted the flat and packing. I did some flat viewings for rental in the area, and I was shocked by the prices. So for 2 bedroom, for example, because I want to move into 2 bedroom in Battersea, the prices can be even 4,000, and it's not the highest one. 4,000 per month, and 1 bedroom. So what is the surface of the flat? Actually, 4,000 is the gentle. Yeah, maybe not necessarily, it's still high, but yeah. So if you buy, it comes much cheaper, not even close to 3,000 or 4,000. And just thinking about that, I was someone is swimming. Really nervous. But I seen some nice flats. I can show you in the screen top of it as a nice add-on. So one of my favorite flats was actually 1 bedroom with a beautiful view over a river Thames with huge windows, very nice decor. It's in actually Embassy Gardens, so very famous buildings. Basically, there is a hanging swimming pool between two buildings, and obviously like all the amenities in the building. So you have pet spa, you have cinema, you have gym, don't remember what else, but you have pretty a lot of amenities. But yeah, still paying £4,000 for renting, I'm like, please don't make me do this. I would be so sad. Goodbye nursery, goodbye anything else. Anyways, so yeah, I'm very happy and relieved that I don't have to do that. And I will give you a tour when I will be picking up my keys over the new apartment, so hang on there. So I just picked up the key from the seller. I'm super excited. So I'm going to see the flat. It's on 9th floor. And yeah, I'm a homeowner. I'm really excited. It's a two-bed flat with plenty of storage. So this is my washing machine. It's close to the entrance. Then when you go in, you have another storage, which I love personally. I'm not sure if it opens. No, probably not. No, it has to open somehow. Well, I figure out later. No, it has to be here. Oh, okay. Ooh. Yep. Mission accomplished. Okay. So this is another storage. Milo will be living here. Goodbye, Milo. Oh, he didn't want to stay. Okay. So this is very convenient. So this is my bedroom. I don't have wardrobe, I don't have bed yet. I'm waiting for everything to come because I wanted everything in my style, particular style. So this is the view from the bedroom. So here we go back to corridor. This is the bathroom. I finally have a bath. I was waiting for a bath for so long in London. Oh my god, I'm so happy finally, all these hours bathing. Love this. Yeah, so there is a lot of storage. Well, not that much to be honest. I might install LED lights later on here because I like to have a bit more lights. So this is, I bought a TV from the seller with a fireplace. This is based, fueled on water. There are some instructions. I will figure out this later. I think I will have to put a bit of water here, but generally the fire will be coming from, I mean, like a fake fire will be coming from here. And I think it's heated as well, so it's brilliant. Even if it wouldn't, I would probably buy it because I think it gives a lot of atmosphere to the flat. So yeah, where Milo? Milo! So this is the kitchen. It's quite big to be honest, it just looks smaller on the TV. I mean on the video TV. I want to paint some walls. I'm still figuring out the colors, maybe put some wallpapers. And this is the second room, and this will be nursery and home office. Yes, I have a view on a train. I don't mind it really. It's quiet, so I'm happy with that. And actually the balcony is on the quiet side. So if we go on balcony, this is a big balcony, I love it. I need to accommodate the space as well somehow. So yeah, it looks like this. Oh, and the train is coming. You cannot really hear much. Let's try to come closer. It's quite far away. No, I think it's fine. It's just that they are still doing some work in other buildings, so this is a bit more noisy. But yeah, so far I really don't mind it. At least a little bit of life. And here is the, actually when they finish works, I'm not sure if you will be able to see, I will have straight path to the park there. It's like 3 minutes walk. Huge park, huge Battersea Park. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, so this is pretty much that. So I'm waiting for the mattress today to come. I'll be sleeping on the mattress for a few days. Oh my god, what's going on here? Okay, I'm a blonde. Yeah, I'm really happy. So I'm thinking how to accommodate the space. No, I really like the flat. I love the lighting here. Just look at this, just look at this. It's amazing. Moving from lower ground to this is a big difference, trust me. Oh my god, I really love it. Anyway, yeah, so I was saying, I'm trying to figure out ways how to decorate the flat. I bought some furnitures. Usually I wait a few weeks, so Safa, for example, is coming I think in 2 months, but that's why I have the beans, I have bean bags, and also like the egg chair, so I will be fine with sitting space. I have no idea what to do with this cruise. I asked the seller to actually leave them because I thought to hang something here, but I changed my concept and I want to have panels installed here. I could potentially try to do it myself, but I'm just like really confused of the whole process, even if I try to YouTube it. So maybe I will manage to find someone good to take care of the stuff. Yeah, so this is the update of my flat moving and purchasing a house, first house in London. So thank you for watching and see you soon.